Manufacturer assumes no responsibility for failure due to improper use. Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to forge a knife out of this. Alright guys, here's how this is going to work. We've made ourselves a can or a canister, 2-inch square tubing, 1/8 thick wall, 3 1/4 inches long. It's going to give us enough room to put all of those pieces of that really long spring, is essentially what that is, in here, fill it up with powdered steel. But we're also going to put some blade steel in there because I'm assuming this snake is made out of something like 1045 perhaps. I'm not expecting that it's going to be good blade steel. So we're going to use that for the body of the blade, and then we're going to insert some good blade steel in there for the edge. Okay, we've got our chunks of blade steel, edge steel all cleaned up. This is 80 CRV2. Okay, well, a 10-foot 1/8 inch skinny snake is not enough to fill up a 2x3 canister, even with a substantial amount of edge steel in there. I feel like that's something the manufacturer needs to, put on the packaging here. Anyway, we're gonna have to figure out how to fill the top of that up. I don't want to just fill it up with powdered steel alone. So let me see what I got here. So I have this piece of 1045 steel here, and if I forged a section of it down to about that thick, 3/8 ish, it'll fit nicely in there and take up all that space. Alright, so we have this forged down to a nice bar that we can start making a knife out of, and I went ahead and chopped off a little bit more of this end here. There's some cracks and stuff. There's still like some cracks here at the end. Pretty typical with the Canister Damascus. But I dipped the end in ferric chloride to kind of see what we have going on here. So this is what it looks like. And this is our blade steel on this side, and this is the 1045 here at the spine. And then, I don't know how well you can see those little patterns from the spring in there. It's looking pretty cool. So what we want to do from this point is go ahead and finish forging this out to a width that we want for our blade. I'm not going to do any forging of the bevel or anything like that, because what we want to do is be able to grind in our bevels and expose the blade steel that you see about a third of the way up maybe, and then leave our pattern. So we have a tank forged in to maximize our material. The next thing we need to do is forge a tip in this. And the reason for that is if we just cut it off, we're going to lose our blade steel somewhere in this angle here. So we need to be able to draw that edge steel all the way up to the tip so we have a continuous edge there. Okay, so we have a pretty cool looking knife thing here. The next thing I want to do is clean up this edge a little bit and dip it in ferric chloride to see where things are sitting. Okay, so the edge is showing dark except for where we have decarb. The spine is the same way, so you can't really see much, but what really tells the story is right here at the clip. So you can see this is the 1045 here, and that's all our spring, and then we have our blade steel here. Okay, we've got the blade normalized, and I'm going to go ahead and do a rough grind on it, and then we'll continue on with some thermocycles to refine our grain structure. Hey guys, thanks for watching. This thing is a beast, and it's gonna be a great outdoors tool for somebody. Watch to the end. I'll show you some close-up pictures of the whole thing so you can take in all its awesomeness. And who knew that you could make such a cool knife from a drain cleaner? Alright, thanks for watching guys. We'll see you on the next video. That's not a knife. This is a knife.